The panel hummed weakly as Rondell brushed away the frost with his glove. Beneath the ice, the surface came alive. Dim amber light flickering through cracked glass. Old corporate branding glowed faintly. Aurelian Mining Consortium. System Interface Vi 4.2. The letters trembled, as though uncertain they still existed. He crouched low, keeping one eye on the viewport. The thing behind the bulkhead was still pacing, its heavy movements muffled but constant. Occasionally it brushed against the door, and each impact made the steel tremble in its frame. He tapped into the panel, connecting his suit's interface cable. The old data port clicked with a satisfying metallic echo, followed by a faint whine as his onboard systems attempted to handshake with the dying architecture. The connection stuttered but held. Access log. Corrupted power, core status. Standby. Containment breach, level 2. Automated security. Partial functionality. Biological anomaly detected, zone B4. Last recorded entry, 194 years ago. The screen pulsed, requesting manual override. His fingers hesitated over the command input. The override could grant him deeper access, schematics, environmental control, possibly a way to reboot internal power. But it could also trigger linked subsystems, including the bulkhead mechanism. He input the command sequence anyway. Curiosity outweighed fear. The panel responded sluggishly, each key press echoing like a drumbeat in the narrow corridor. Override accepted. Core access initializing. The sound came immediately. A deep hydraulic groan vibrated through the floor as the bulkhead locks began to disengage. The thing behind the door went still. Then it exhaled, a long, low rasp of breath that fogged the viewport completely.
Shit, he muttered under his breath, fumbling to cancel the sequence. The system refused. The door's status light changed from red to orange, then to green.
The hiss of equalizing pressure filled the corridor. The bulkhead began to rise. Rondell stumbled backward, nearly tripping over a fallen pipe. Cold air poured out from the widening gap, carrying with it the smell of rot and ammonia. His visor filters whined as they compensated. The shadow behind the door moved forward, massive, deliberate. Through the rolling mist, he caught a glimpse. A silhouette of something once humanoid, now distorted. Muscles too long, limbs bent in unnatural geometry. Its head tilted, studying him. Its eyes reflected his suit light, two dull orbs burning faintly blue. His oxygen gauge blinked again. 1 hour Aero 2